I'm David Moore and I've established Chip Tyre 23 years ago. Been making soft fall for children's playgrounds, sport field underlays and grind down to fine powders for tile adhesive glues and spray seal bitumen etc. I found the TANA Shark a machine that was durable. One of the features that I like about it is it exposes the wire, so as we're able to magnetically remove it. Cut down our wear bill by probably 40% because of the amount of wire that was extracted earlier on in the process. We've grown from 200,000 tyres a year to 200,000 tyres a month.
My name is Daniel Kostowski, CEO for GCM Enviro. We're the distributors for TANA. We've got dealerships and mechanics and service agents all around Australia. Back in 1999, a fellow called Yamo from FinPro walked into our office. We were selling compaction equipment to local government departments back then and decided we'll give it a go and try and promote this finished product here in Australia. Within 12 months we sold the first machine to the Sydney City Council. Basically it took off from there. The product is quite unique because components are interchangeable from the smallest machine right through the biggest machine.
GCM services have been excellent. They're friends more so than just agents. They respond to any problems that I've got promptly and then we're able to rectify the problem and get back to work.
First of all, just want to say a big thank you from the team here.
I wish TANA all the best and happy 50th birthday.
Happy birthday to TANA for 50 years.
Happy 50th birthday and look forward to using their product into the future.
And here's to another 50 more. Thanks guys.